Hey everybody. So this video I'm going to show you how you can force install Windows 11 25H2 on your existing system that's running Windows 11 24H2. So here we are in our virtual machine, which automatically, in this case, does not meet what I call the Microsoft Elite Class System Requirements Windows 11. Therefore, when it's running Windows 11, it will not automatically receive feature updates. So if we go in here to Settings, and we go look at our system specs, you can see that, of course, our CPU is a Ryzen 7 1700X. That's the processor of the host. We are currently running Windows 11 Pro 24H2. And the good news about Windows 11 25H2 is it comes with an enablement package similar to 23H2. So you may recall going from 22H2 to 23H2 was actually just as simple as installing one update that's an enablement package. So what I've already done here is I've downloaded the enablement package. This is what you have to do on a system that doesn't meet the requirements. You have to manually install the enablement package. So I will put a link in the description where you can download that, but we have it right here. So we'll go ahead and run this. And it's going to ask us if we want to install this update, and it's KB5054156. And then go ahead and restart our system. Okay, we're back in the desktop. So now go ahead and check. In settings here. And if we scroll down, you can see we now have Windows 11 Pro 25H2. So it's as simple as that. So that's how you can force upgrade to Windows 11 25H2 on an existing Windows 11 system that does not meet the system requirements of Windows 11. So anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.